Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use split screen on your Android or Samsung phone. First, you'll need to tap on the three dashes in the bottom left hand corner, as you can see right there, and you can see that I have a few apps open. To use split screen, you'll simply tap at the top of one of the apps that you want to use in split screen. For example, Spotify right here. Tap right where you see the app sign. Then you'll tap on Open in Split Screen View. As you can see right here, it's now in split screen view. Then you can tap on the other app that you like to open. For example, Facebook. So I will be able to listen to a song or browse Spotify. Meanwhile, I'm also browsing on Facebook. And that's how to use or how to enable split screen on your Android or Samsung phone.